The other day on the CRO coin, I said that we were looking like we were building some sort of an ascending triangle. We did then break towards the downside. However, we maintained support up above these levels of 0.67. So that's looking much more positive for CRO coin. But what is happening right now that is going to show us where we think we might be going next? Now, what we can see, guys, is quite exciting, because we can see if we draw a trend line along the bottom of here, then we can see that we have in fact broken beyond that. Now, we can also say that we have got a bottom baseline here, which allows us to then find some sort of a target price. And what we can see happening right now. Now, one thing I will note is that when we usually have a breakout, we do like to see perhaps a bit more volume, and we do like to see perhaps more aggressive moves in the breakouts than this, because obviously we haven't seen anything particularly significant. But given the time of day, we may start to see a bit more volume opening up and pushing us more aggressively out. We've also had at least one close outside of here, and we likely will have two closes outside of here. Now, in my opinion, we will come up finding some level of resistance and probably be coming down for a bit of a retest along this yellow line before we're due to push on to higher levels. But what would a price target look like for this? Bear in mind, this is some sort of descending triangle. You can come up and we can bring from the breakout. This would give us a price target of around a 0.95, which in terms of percentage increases from current price would be all the way up at an additional 30%. But it's worth noting, guys, that this is still not going to break beyond previous all-time highs. And until we kind of break beyond these all-time highs, then we will be looking at potentially not being able to break this towards the upside and have a bit more of a continuation, because we are still technically in a bit of a downtrend. So it'll be interesting to see whether this is able to push much more aggressively towards the upside. Taking a Fibonacci retracement then from the swing high down here, we can see that we have broken these key levels at 0.236, which is the 72 cent level. So our next level to be paying attention to really is the 77 cents. So I think actually realistically we're probably more likely to hit the 77 cents before we see any sort of a turnaround, as long as we're able to maintain some upward momentum here. But things are looking much more positive for the CRO coin after this a little bit of a downside consolidation. Let me know your thoughts down below. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.